Alright, hello. I'm going to show you guys how to become a Printify print-on-demand affiliate. What Printify is kind of a middleman for print-on-demand merchandise companies to link your e-commerce store with the merchandiser and ship your products to your customers. So you can design your own products, sell them on various stores such as Shopify, Etsy, eBay, etc. And Printify processes those payments and gets your orders fulfilled and out to your customers. They have 300 different unique products, shirts, hats, mugs, posters, prints, etc. So if you click the link down in the bottom of the description here, it'll take you to the Printify site, and then at the bottom there, click affiliate, and then it'll take you to this page, join the affiliate program. And signing up for this Printify affiliate program, as far as affiliate marketing programs go, very quick and easy. You register, you'll get your affiliate links, and then you'll be able to promote Printify to your audience very quickly. Now this graphic just kind of shows you real quick how affiliate marketing works through Printify. So you can take a look at this graphic here. Keep scrolling down, and then you will find where to register and sign up. So there's no cap on how much money you can make. There's zero upfront cost. Like I said, the registration only takes about 5 minutes. Very easy. And you'll earn 5% on every order that a customer makes who has signed up through your links. And that will continue for up to 12 months through the Printify program. And the conditions here, you can't use any of their exact Printify name on things, but you can promote with some custom-made ads that they will supply you. So let's go ahead and apply. You'll need to obviously add your name, email, and then create a password. Tell them you're not a robot, agree to the terms of services, and then you'll come to the next page. Cool, so you're in. So now you'll create your profile. You can have a little profile picture, add your address information, city, state, country. You can add the name of your company, this is optional, and also the website, which you'll be using to promote, but that is also optional. Great, so then you'll add your preferred payout method. There is currently only one preferred payout method, and that is using PayPal. So you'll add your PayPal email, and then you'll add that. All payments will go into your PayPal account. Great, so you're in. This is the dashboard, and it's going to do just kind of a quick walkthrough of the things that you can expect in the dashboard. So it shows your assets, so your referral links and other marketing materials. Conversions and commissions page shows you the overall how much money you've made and how many clicks you've converted. The sources will show you where those or what channels your clicks have been coming through, and that's all. It's a very simple simple interface, but we'll click through the different areas here right now. This is the main dashboard page showing you clicks, conversions, commissions, everything kind of in one area. This is the reporting page showing you clicks over time and commissions over time. Here we have your assets. So this is your actual referral link and then some of the custom-made ads that they have for you, and the codes that you can embed into your website if you choose to do so. No conversions yet, just created this page, but that's where those will be. And then here's the sources page. And then the payouts, again, no payouts yet, but that's where those will show up. So back to the main dashboard page. Like I said, very quick, easy sign up. If you want to get signed up, there's a link in the description here. We'll take you right where you need to go to get signed up and start promoting Printify to your audience. Printify is a great print-on-demand company, and I do highly recommend it. Thank you, guys.